Charge time. Fully charges your dog's receiver collar in 2 to 3 hours. USB connection. Charger has a USB connection. Wall adapter sold separately, SAC 00-16841. Compatible wireless fences. Works with receiver collars for the PetSafe StayPlay Compact Wireless Fence, PIF 4513479, PetSafe StayPlay Wireless Fence for Stubborn Dogs, PIF 19-17106. Compatible wireless collars. PetSafe StayPlay Wireless Fence Rechargeable Receiver Collar, PIF 19-14011, PetSafe StayPlay Wireless Fence Receiver Collar for Stubborn Dogs, PIF 19-14186. Compatible in-ground fences. Works with receiver collars for the PetSafe Rechargeable In-Ground Fence, PIG 19-16413. Compatible in-ground fence collars. PetSafe Rechargeable In-Ground Fence Receiver Collar, PIG 19-16414. US-based customer care. Our pet product experts are here to help you and your pet and are available by phone, email or chat if you have any questions. Quality promise. PetSafe brand has been a trusted global leader in pet behavior, containment and lifestyle innovation since 1998 to help keep your pet healthy, safe and happy. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement charger. This product was purchased as a replacement for the original that quit working when it was dropped in the water. So far it has been a great replacement and works just as good as the original.